Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Volvo XC60 2.0h T6 Recharge 11.6 kWh R-Design all-wheel drive. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid, is automatic and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with then, you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 19-inch 5 double-spoke alloy wheels with the two-tone finish really complementing against the grey exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. This vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid, and on a 3-pin plug it can take up to 5 hours to charge, on a 7 kilowatt charger up to 3 hours, and this will give you a total range of up to 33 miles. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can see a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the nappa and textile upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that 5th passenger. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have buttons for your information panel, as well as your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 61,974 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations, along with your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Bluetooth connectivity, and this vehicle does in fact support Apple Carplay and Android Auto, supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. You also have safety features such as your lane keeping aid, as well as a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control now, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel for the driver. This has been a presentation on a Volvo XC60 2.0h T6 Recharge 11.6 kWh R-Design all-wheel drive that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, give our sales team a call.